Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. We're at the Car Culture Car Show down in Houston. Let's go ahead and check out some badass rides. If you have been following my channel, I sound like a broken record, but for starters, check out this beautiful classic GT500. I swear these classics are popping up more and more at these Houston car shows, completely restored and absolutely gorgeous. Have the beautiful interior to match with the slight roll cage there, and of course you got the 4-speed manual. So now you have two Valarra Vettes in Houston, Texas. Check this out. You got the white one that's twin turboed, and I don't know if this one is twin turboed yet, but for those of you that don't know, it's built off of a C6 Corvette chassis. And let's see what it's got back here. It ain't twin turboed yet, but look how wide this thing is. I have to admit, I think this is my favorite one. All right, up close and personal with the other Valarra Vette, the white one with the beautiful interior. And check this thing out. If you didn't think this car is badass enough, look at those beautiful twin turbos. That's artwork right there. Need I say more? Personal favorite, the Dodge Viper here, or SRT Viper. Fun fact about the Viper, this has the largest body of carbon fiber on it, meaning the hood is all carbon fiber, and it's a production car. That's insane. The hood is massive. I finally got you on one of my videos, Crow Supra, flexing out here with the beautiful carbon fiber trims as well, which I actually didn't know, because this is the first time I'm seeing this Supra in person. That's a huge lip on a C7. Oh my goodness. All right, check this out. You don't have not one, not two, but three Shelbys. Of course, these two are the GT500 with the dual clutch transmissions. I love the wheel choice on those. And then last but not least, you have the GT350, which is absolutely stunning in itself with the flat plane crank. It sounds absolutely amazing, and I love that color too. So we gave you a little bit of classics initially. What about classic exotic? Got the Diablo SV here. All right, this is kind of crazy. Up front and center, you have the SF90 Stradale flexing on the crowd. I really hope you can hear me over the music. You have supercars on supercars. Got the SVJ here, flexing with the doors up and everything. I have to admit, this spec is really awesome. I believe they brought this from Indigo Auto Group. But the bronze wheels with the white spec is absolutely insane. And I gotta admit, I'm geeking out right now because this is the closest I've been in the side one. The Spider Performante. You know how I know? Because of the glorious forged carbon. All forged carbon accents, including the active arrow and the wing in the back. All right, this car has made an appearance on my channel a couple of times. We got the Superlight with the LS, the built LS in it. SLC Superlight, absolutely insane. Now this is an actual kit car. Can you imagine? This is nothing like what kit cars typically are. Does it have AC? No. But who cares? All right, this is kind of cool. You got the Murcielago here flexing up front and center with the Lambo doors, right? Then you move over. How can I not get this? You got the C8 with the Lambo doors. I have to admit, I don't know if I like them or hate them, but if anything, do the Lambo doors on the C8s. It's kind of cool. All right, this thing is pretty sick. We got the M4 flexing on everyone with the carbon fiber hood, and he kind of took a ZR1 style hood with the plexiglass with a big old intercooler showing. He's got the big wing in the back. Dude, that stance is sick. Everyone's here. We got Life of Annie flexing her Audi as well. The fun part is trying to figure out where these cars are going to exit, so let's get on that because I want to get as many of these exotics as I can. Yes sir, just in time. We got both of the Valarra Vettes headed out. And the crowd is coming with it too. Sideways. We got the nasty sounding Cobra out for the exit. Yes, sir. American muscle. Hold up. We got the ZR1. We got the SF90 rolling out. Boys, we getting the lineup. Woo! Life of Annie. Sent it for the boys. Got the Porsche for the win. We got a Subi boy. Like the lights. Ooh, nasty sounding McLaren. But there's so much traffic. And a Supra. And a GTR. That's a nasty sound from BMW. Oh, the 765 LT. I don't know where to look. There's so many cars. All right, y'all didn't see this, but the four-door Integra is showing some skills. But before we get to that, listen to this Ford GT. Complete bliss. Wilson. Got the Audi Quattro wagon.
I'll call you back.
Houston, hey, Joker Jeffs. That dude's saying, don't do anything stupid. Is that the ACR? God, that thing's so gorgeous. I've seen this dude before. I can't remember who he is though. My bad, but I still got you. Oh yeah, that's just great. Block the intersection. Yes, sir. Beautiful woman-driven Ferrari with the Euro license plates. Nice. All right, y'all. So we have a few stragglers exiting, and I think I'm just gonna call it a day. So please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe. It really helps me out. We'll catch you at the next meet. Peace.